Expensive.
Unboxing this 29 dirhams.
Oh, if you have Usagi, can we switch?
No.
Please.
No.
Hi.
No. Goo goo gaga. Okay. Ma, does your friend has like a baby boy or something? Give that. Your
Maybe the mula.
who's that? I can buy it for you.
You can buy it for me?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. I don't mind.
I don't mind. You try shaking it.
Okay, this is stuck.
Because Usagi is my favorite.
You don't like Chikawa?
I like Chico but
You're-
I like Usagi because he's bad.
Oh. From this tape. It's fine, I'll try.
Oh, you don't Usagi, I think.
Show it to me.
What do you think of the color?
I think it's Chikawa or Usagi. I don't know. If I get Usagi, I'm keeping it.
This is garbage.
It's a pink one.
What?
It's pink. It's cute. Why is she so wrinkly? Hey, it's cute.
Show me the 29 dirhams.
It's my favorite color though. I'll keep it.